Attorney Roberts, Attorney Solari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're gonna get started now.
Ready, thank you.
For your information, we are live on YouTube.
Thank you.
The court calls case number 23044178801. The people of the state of Michigan versus Germaine Children. Defendant is charged with malicious destruction of property. Defendant is present for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carolyn Solari filling in for APA Paula Cole, P number 86651 for the people.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Roberts, P76414, appearing on behalf of Ms. Childry. Ms. Childry, are you able to unmute the device or have them unmute it for you?
Yeah, I'm unmuted.
Okay, can you state your name, please?
Germaine Childry.
Thank you, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment on the bench warrant, Ms. Childry will stay on mute. We respectfully ask that you continue her plea of not guilty. And I would ask that the court set us for a final pre-trial conference, ask that the complainant be present.
All right. Any comment, Mrs. Solera?
Your Honor, respectfully, as I'm just standing in today and I'm unaware of how APA Cole would like to proceed, I would leave it to the court's discretion as to how to proceed, whether it be a pretrial, as this is an arraignment on the bench warrant, or a final pretrial.
All right, well, let's do that. We'll set it for a pretrial. A not guilty plea is entered. We will set it for a pretrial date of, what's the next pretrial? You got final pretrial.
717 days.
Just make it 717. July 17, 2023 at 9 o'clock. We'll set it for a pretrial. Very well, the bond is continued.
Your Honor, can we have the complainant present? My client's currently with the Michigan Department of Corrections with the expected out date of June of 2024. So is it possible just to be expeditious in this matter that we could have the complainant present at that court date?
Well, I think Ms. Solera just indicated that she didn't know how, since she's volunteering for Mrs. Cole, that she would prefer to have it a pretrial date rather than you want to set it for a final pretrial date, Mrs. Solera?
Your Honor, once again, I don't feel entirely comfortable making a decision on behalf of APA Cole. If you'd like me to momentarily attempt to reach out to her, I didn't expect to stand in this morning.
All right, well, let's just leave it for a pretrial date. Pretrial date of July 17, 2023. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Right. Mrs. Childress, we will see you or hear from you on July 17, 9 o'clock. All right?
Thank you. All right, Your Honor, thank you.
You may leave us. I'll give you back this one.
Good morning. Yeah, Ramiro Wesley, I'll get you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You want to bring,
We're ready on Ramiro too.
say, Siobhan, you ready for him?
Yes, which one, oh, want me to get them?
Yeah.
Oh, which one? You want Grady first?
Sure. Come in and check her.
Yeah.
Did she change that to the final pretrial for the person teaching?
No, it's just a.
You go to the podium, or you stand right there?
Correspondence case number 230-446-8901, the people of the state of Michigan versus Quintel Grady. Defendant is charged with count 1, domestic violence, count 2, assault and battery. Case is scheduled for a final pretrial.
Good
Names for the
morning.
record.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Names for the record.
Good morning to this honorable court. Carolyn Solari, P number 86651 for the people.
Good morning, Erica Roberts, here on behalf of Mr. Grady. Mr. Grady, can you state your name, please?
Quintel, Grady.
Thank you.
All right, let us proceed.
I apologize. Your Honor, my understanding is that this is a general trials case. This is one of APA Cole's cases, and I'm really unaware as to how she'd like to proceed today.
And she's not present, is that correct?
APA Cole, no.
Mr. Roberts?
Your Honor, we're ready to proceed, so I don't know how you want us to proceed, but my client's here, we're ready.
Do you have a motion?
If the court would entertain a motion to dismiss, we make it at this time.
All right, Mrs. Solari, do you know where the complaining witness is?
Your Honor, I'm not sure. The people would be asking for a short adjournment to get in touch with APA Cole. I'm a bit blindsided as to covering for her today. I wasn't sure if she'd be here. I'm reading the notes on this file. It's my understanding that that APA Cole intended to proceed without the complainant.
Okay, I think I just got information that Ms. Cole is checking in, so we'll see.
Okay.
All right. Well, let us recall this in a few minutes because Ms. Cole is on her way. And then we can recall it, Ms. Roberts.
Thank you.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
my understanding is that Wesley is also her case. And I understand that is another case that is for this time. I'm on Adams, Ravenel, and Shepherd.
Okay. Are they ready on that, folks?
Jerry Adams, come on, Ravenel, Shepherd.
Ravenel and Shepherd both have counsel. Mr. Adams is not here yet, is he, Officer Prince?
Are you the person?
Yeah. Okay, so we are not yet ready on Adams.
Okay.
We gotta go get the people first. You wanna recall it? Good morning, Ms. Cole.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, we're going to recall a case, the Grady matter. This is a recall.
Okay.
Case number 230-446-8901. State of Michigan versus Quintel Grady.
Call on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Erica Roberts, appearing on behalf of Mr. Grady. Mr. Grady, can you state your name, please?
That's Quintel, Grady, sir.
Ms. Cole.
Your Honor.
I think it's up for trial. Or is it pre-trial? Final pre-trial.
Yes,
Final pre-trial.
Yes, final pretrial.
yes, we just, recently got the discovery sent to the people, to the defense, and I haven't had a chance to discuss possible options with her on resolving this matter.
I don't wanna be in here, Miss Grady.
Excuse me? I'm sorry?
Go ahead, APA Cole. That was a different defendant. I muted them.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yes, the people would like to, the last time we were here, we were asking that we could proceed with the police officers because we had statements that were taken from the defendant. We just recently sent the discovery to Attorney Roberts, and I would like additional time so that we can discuss possible options. Did the court hear me on that?
Yes, Paula, just a moment, okay?
Oh, sure.
We're in business now. Ms. Cole, where are we? What's the status?
Your Honor, at this time, we would like to get another final pretrial date. It is the people's position that we can move forward with statements that the police that heard or were given by the defendant made to the defendant about what happened at the scene. Last time we were here, I indicated that we wanted to proceed with the police officers, and I believe we just recently got all the discovery to Attorney Roberts, and I'd like to be able to discuss possible options of resolution in this matter. So I would ask for another final pretrial.
Why don't I just set it for a trial date since you
That sounds
passed?
good.
Yeah, yeah, Ms. Roberts, you've gotten all the discovery. Let's just set it for a trial date.
Thank you, that's great.
July 17, 2023, 10 a.m. bench trial.
Thank you.
One moment, please, Your Honor. The concern I have at this time, Your Honor, is I don't see the digital discovery. Ms. Cole, did you send body camera?
As I understand, the packet had all the discovery, but I'll check and verify that. And if there is body camera, I'll make sure to get it to you.
Okay. So that's a concern I have, Your Honor. At this point, we can set a bench trial. However, I would not have an objection to setting an additional final pretrial so that we can continue discussion with the people, make sure we have everything.
All right, I'll change it to a final pretrial. Since you have no objection.
I have no.
Final pretrial of July 17, 2023.
Thank you.
May I address bond, Your Honor?
You may.
It's my understanding that the current bond does incorporate a tether and a curfew requirement. I would respectfully ask that you consider removal of the tether, especially if the complainant is not proceeding on this matter. Mr. Grady understands not to have any contact with the complaining witness. He indicates that the tether is hurting his leg. He also has an address on Schaefer Highway, which he's not currently staying at, however, would like to return there because it's his understanding the complainant does not live at that address. So we're asking you to remove the tether, allow him to return home if the complaining witness is no longer there, which we believe that she is not.
Ms. Cole?
The people would have no objection. The complaining witness said she would have no objection with him the tether being removed.
Very well, the motion to remove the tether is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else?
The people are satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I had another case, and I would ask the court. I have 4 other courtrooms that have been calling me and need me. I think it's still to take care of that matter. I hate to be pushy this morning, but
What's the name of the case again?
Children, and I believe she's in lockup or she's incarcerated.
We handled that. Mrs. Solara handled that for you.
Oh, thank you, Attorney Solari.
What do you need her for Wesley?
Of course.
Huh?
Wesley.
Oh, Wesley, okay. But she handled the children.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Good night.
Did she leave? Did she leave? The Wesley case. She's here. She's present in the court. She said she's not zooming in for another 5 minutes. Go ahead back in the hallway, Ms. Wesley. We have to wait 5 more minutes on the prosecutor. Hey, there's something you're putting Mr. Carter on today. Natural report today. Oh, it is? Okay. With our information for today. They haven't zoomed in. Got it. Okay.
Good morning from Wayne County Jail.
Good morning.
We have a tech violator scheduled today. Carter, first name.
Yes, I believe his attorney's gonna put him in a breakout room to talk to him in 1 second.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, did you need me back on Wesley?
Just unfold your arms for me, Ms. Wesley. The court calls case number 230-445-2201, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ramiro Wesley. Defendant is charged with domestic violence. Case is scheduled for a final pretrial.
Names for the record, please.
Call a call on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Andrea Roberts appearing on behalf of Ms. Wesley. Ms. Wesley, can you state your name?
Ramiro Wesley.
Thank you.
Your Honor, the people have not had any cooperation from the complaining witness. So at this time, the people are not prepared to move forward on this matter. So, the complaining witness, I reached out to him.
Sorry, go ahead, Ms. Cole.
I have reached out to him several times and called him, and it was even hung up on. So at this point, the people are not prepared to move forward.
Your Honor, move for dismissal of the case and respectfully ask you to also sign an order for Michigan State Police to destroy the arrest record, biometric data, DNA if applicable, and remove the lien entry.
Your motion to dismiss is granted.
People have no objection.
Your motion is hereby granted on both points.
Thank you. Just wait in the hallway for me, okay? Thank you. Ms. Cole, before you go, can I have a brief sidebar on Grady? Just real quick, I promise, real quick. Grady.
Is it possible it can wait? Is it something that needs to be done today?
Yeah, just a second, just like 2 seconds, that's all.
Which one is?
Grady. Do I need to go put us in or did you put us in? Thank you.